Number 15. Statements 1 to 4 describe stages in the development of cholera. What is the correct sequence of the 4 stages? This question actually came out in other exams as well, in other years. So we're pretty much familiar with this question, but I'll explain nonetheless. So cholera is caused by a bacterium called Vibrio cholerae. This bacteria, once inside the gut, causes secretion of toxins. And this toxin causes chloride ions from the gut to be secreted, to be released into the gut. And of course, chloride ions are salts, the minerals, ions. So it reduces the water potential. Just going to draw with the blue color. So it's going to reduce the water potential. Then the gut will think, okay, well, there is less water molecule inside the gut, so let's move water molecules from the gut, from inside. So this is osmosis happening. The water is moving from high water potential, not concentration, high water potential to low water potential, which ends up having a lot of water molecules and minerals, like chloride ions, inside the gut. And all these stuffs, they go out of the body system. And the person becomes dehydrated because he or she has lost a lot of water. So the order should be 4, 1, 2, and 3. The order should be in this order, with this sequence. Okay, so the answer is C for this question. So toxin production is first. It causes chloride ions to go into the gut, and then the osmosis happens because there's less water potential inside the gut, and all these stuffs go out of the body, causing dehydration in the person. So C is the answer.